Hi. What does change look like for a couple in couples therapy? I wanted to cover this topic because sometimes when you walk into a mysterious new experience, it may elicit some anxiety. So I want to give you a heads up of what to expect when you work with the therapist I know best, which is me. Change for couples who work with me comes in really three phases. The first one I call symptom reduction. You are experiencing fewer fights, less intense fights, fewer shutdowns, more connection. This is because you're finally being heard first by me and then your spouse, and that tends to calm things down. The second phase is developing insight. So, what are some of these insights? Here's some examples. You may be correcting misperceptions. You may be walking around with a misunderstanding of why your partner does one thing or another. Another thing is stopping line reading. You may be doing this because your partner is shutting down, going away, or you may just not be asking the right questions. A third and most important insight that people gain is understanding the underlying emotional patterns in your relationship. And this can show up in a very similar way across multiple different subject matter. So you may find yourself sinking into this stuck pattern, no matter if you're talking about money or in laws or whatever it is. Oftentimes, you're getting stuck in this unproductive pattern because you're getting emotionally triggered in your conversations. Understanding this pattern gives us the key to helping you get out of the pattern. Okay, so the third phase really can just be summed up as practice. Just because you understand what's going on doesn't mean it's going to be easy to do the right thing at the right time when you are scared, when you are lonely, when you are hurt. Practice means learning not to say things, learning how to listen, learning effective timeouts, learning how to apologize effectively. These may be skills that you've never had to learn. Maybe things worked out before, you held it together as a couple, but now things are changing. One or both of you may be learning how to stand up for yourselves. Circumstances may be changing, which causes you to have to learn these skills. You may be getting to a new phase of your life, empty nesting, retirement. Whatever it is that's driving this, you have the opportunity to learn a more effective way of relating to your spouse or partner. I welcome working with you. Remember, it is a courageous act to turn hope into a different future. Take good care.